Today I'm going to show you how I made this miniature shelf for putting miniature plants on. It's super simple. All you need is skewers, pop sticks, toothpicks and glue. First you need 2 pieces of pop stick for each shelf. Next you need 2 pieces of toothpick for each shelf to be the brace. Last, you need 2 pieces of skewers which will hold all of the shelves together and also attach the shelf to the wall. Sand all of the edges that you've cut. Join the 2 pieces of pop stick together using the toothpicks. I used tape to hold the shelves in place and then glued the skewers onto the back of the shelves. Once all the glue is dry, you can glue it directly to a wall.